feathered friends, si Daddy TJ. So with our Sagrada Sense of Family, we would like to welcome our visitors for today, Daddy TJ Gonzalez and Doc Dennis Lazaro. How about we round of applause for them? Clap your hands, kids! Yay!
Tapos they have big also for tea. Corn and tea. They say, you know what this drink is, guys? Oh, see. Oh, pwede Macau. Okay? This one is from South America. Brazil, actually. And for the
Dr. Dennis is a doctor.
Narda. Okay, hi Narda.
Hi, Narda! Narda!
Narda is very good bird. Who likes Narda? Who likes to own Narda? Yo. And this is 3 years old already. We got it. And pink. Kasi, this are important.
Parang Cerelac po ba?
Kasi bata pa eh. Ibon, nag-regurgitate yung binabalik. So kakain mo na yung parents, tapos babalik. Ayan, diba? Hindi yan.
Hello, Mami!
You can feed it also using the syringe.
Oo, no?
Ito pa, Daddy TJ.
Sideline ako dito.
In the house.
Na-request siya!
Ano ko pala?
Na-invita!
Ayun, oh.
Pala to.
Ayun, oh.
Michael.
That's how you feed the little
I
bird.
cannot let you do it, but because
na,
it's kind of sensitive. Pa. Like it?
Yummy. Little bird. You ask the little bird if it's yummy.
Ayun na, see where the food went? Doon, no?
Yes. When
This is
Uganda
so-
is. They don't have feathers yet, oh. Only little feathers pa lang. Oh, the bird. Yan.
Amo ba?
Julia, you want to feed the bird?
Oo.
Eh, nasa na yung pretty bird? Grabe. Favorite niya kasi yan eh.
Come on. Tapos yung ito.
Yan, oh, the little birds are eating. Say ah! Say ah daw, ah!
Spoon. Come on. Tapos yung ito.
Yan, oh, the little birds are eating. Say ah!